AC is not coming on. This is not up. There's no water in there. Is there? No. This is dry. It's a fan's running. We gotta check the unit outside. I'm gonna pop this cover off and take a look and see what's going on with it. Might be on delay. Compressor's not starting. Yeah, compressor's not starting. Might have a bad cap there. Unless we get a bad wire. Well, that looks loose. Deal. Oh, the compressor's hot. That wire looks loose. Ooh, look at that red one. Yeah. We'll redo this one. We gotta get some connectors and redo it. So you gotta watch out because these things here, sometimes if these are hot, these pins will blow out at you and blow hot oil at you. That's the purple, which is the start. And then this one here should be the red. I'm gonna try to replace that one too. Sometimes if these little flat things break off, you could do it. You could, I put different kind of connectors on there before. Gonna make it happen, mama. These are the connectors I have here. See? The wire. Got a little bit longer wire here. If we can reconnect them a little bit. This one still seems okay. We'll do the red one first. I'll cut it back where it's good wire. So we're going to put that in there, and you want to kind of see how these things are going to go. This way with it. You can see you want to kind of crump them. A circle, like, you know. It kind of wraps around like that. You see it? That should be good. Sometimes I could open these up a little bit, make them fit. Not easy being cheesy, mama. You gotta watch out because if that's hot, things could blow out at you. Open them up a little bit, maybe. That's in there, right? Thing's kind of hot. It's been cooking along. I'm gonna do the purple next. Cut it back where it's good, right? Someone wants to probably go this way. It's the start. Bottom there. Like I said, you gotta kind of work it so it rolls around it. Good enough for this neighborhood. I say that, you'd be surprised how many people get bumhurt about that when I say that. Oh my God. Can't believe you would say that. Just joking. Just joking. Alright, we're gonna try it. We're gonna see if it starts. If it don't start, we can put a hard start kit on there. Well, it might be. It sounded like it wanted to start, so it should start. I know guys that come around here and cut the wires and say you need a brand new system when this happens. See if it starts now. A couple of pads here. Check the amps. 18. It'll be 18, 19, 20. 4 tons. This should be probably a little 3-ton unit. Mismatched equipment, and so what's our amp draw there? There's compressor amps right there. See it? So our compressor amps are fine.